Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Hack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Fire Stick that keeps resetting or restarting or something like that. And this is a very simple fix. All you need to do is go to your TV and you need to change the power source. So you might have it plugged into the back of the TV with something that looks like this. And this is a USB cable to just a standard USB mini. And this doesn't provide sufficient enough power. So it's good to just keep restarting the device whenever it loses power. So what you want to do is actually plug it directly into the wall outlet. So you might have something like this. So here's a Fire TV Cube. You want to plug it directly into the wall outlet, and then you won't have an issue any longer. So that should fix it once you plug it in, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up down below.